How to fix Instagram Reels black screen. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels black screen easy and fast. All what you have to do to fix this problem is easy. Just go to settings on your phone and click on apps to go to the apps manager. Click on apps. Now on this page you will find all the apps that you have on your phone, as you can see. Now search for Instagram and here is it right here. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar and write Instagram. Click on it, click on force stop, click on storage back then, and click on clear data and clear cache. Go back and now click on this permissions options. And now make sure to enable all those permissions, and if you don't want, you can disable only the contacts and the phone. Go back and now restart your phone and the Instagram must be working good for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.